It's my birthday. So if you guys would like to see how I got this nail look, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. So I already applied my press-ons off camera and I just cut them into a stiletto shape. So I will be using this lime green polish by Ruby Kisses. And I'm only going to paint 3 of my nails green because I'm going to design the other 2. So all of the products that I will be using in today's video are by either Kiss or Ruby Kisses, and a few items from Hobby Lobby. So I will let you guys watch the polish process and then I will be back. So I purchased these pearls from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just taking my Kiss nail glue and I'm going to line up the pearls down the middle, and then I'm just going to fill in the sides. You can file these pearls into more of a stiletto shape, but I did want my nails to look a little chunky. So I filed it just a little bit, but I pretty much left it as is. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me do this part and then I'll be back. So for this part, I just purchased some rhinestones from the hair store. These run about $1.99 a piece. And I'll leave the details to these stones in the description box below. But you should be able to find rhinestones like this or similar to this at your local beauty supply store. And then I will be adding 1 pearl on the nail. And then I'm going to sort of outline the tip lime green. So I'll let you guys watch and then I'll be back. I did go in with some acetone just to clean around the nails so they could look a little bit more professional. And I did want one hand to be super dramatic and the next hand to be simple. So I ended up just painting my right hand lime green. I did about 2 coats, and then I went in with 1 coat of the Clear by Ruby Kisses. That is pretty much it for this look. I absolutely enjoyed my birthday. My birthday was actually the 16th. I just wanted to get this video out for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to all my new subscribers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, bitch.